Whenever you draw a shape and you tap to live, now users will be able to press 1, 3, 7, numpad period to focus on their object while in tab mode, and of course press Alt D to show dots. But now you will be able to look at things exactly as you need to in order to work the way you want. In addition to that, pressing tab, tilde, will bring up the viewport tab where you can actually adjust your view and get that perfect view while you're dealing with your cut and just adjusting things and rotating and making transformations happen. So just letting you know that great care has been taken to make sure that all of these systems behave properly, allowing you to draw shapes and look at it in just the right view, get it positioned, press B to bevel, use hotkeys if you want, and just get to perfect cut every time.